I bet you didn't know eggnog could be this easy. It's creamy. It's dreamy. It's like Christmas in a cup. This recipe is super easy. You can make it with your family. It's perfect for holiday parties. Get ready for a delicious treat. This recipe is fun for everyone. Kids can help too. Let's get started on our eggnog adventure. Here's what you'll need. 4 cups whole milk, 1 cup heavy cream, 1/2 cup sugar, 6 large egg yolks, 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. Optional, whipped cream and a sprinkle of nutmeg or cinnamon for garnish. All right, get ready. Today we're making the one holiday drink that brings more cheer than Mariah Carey in December. This is a deliciously easy, family-friendly eggnog recipe guaranteed to make you the holiday hero. And yes, it's as easy as it is festive. Let's gather our ingredients. Making eggnog from scratch is a delightful holiday tradition, and having all your essentials ready will make the process smooth and enjoyable. We need 6 eggs. They make the eggnog rich and give it that classic creamy texture. Make sure to use fresh eggs for the best results. Grab some sugar. It adds sweetness and balances the flavors. You can adjust the amount based on your preference for sweetness. We need milk and heavy cream. These make it creamy and luscious. The combination of milk and cream gives eggnog its signature richness. Don't forget the spices. We need cinnamon and nutmeg. They make it taste warm and cozy, adding that perfect holiday touch. A pinch of each goes a long way in enhancing the flavor. Vanilla extract adds a sweet aroma and depth to the flavor profile. Just a few drops will elevate your eggnog to the next level. Lastly, grab some rum or bourbon. This adds a festive kick to your eggnog, but you can skip this if you prefer a non-alcoholic version, family-friendly. Or if you prefer, you can make 2 batches, one for the kiddies and one for the grown folks. Either way, your eggnog will be delicious and perfect for the holiday season. First, separate the egg yolks. Put the yolks in a big bowl. Add sugar to the yolks. Whisk them together. Whisk until the mixture is light and fluffy. Now, pour in the milk. Add the heavy cream too. Stir everything together. Make sure it's all mixed well. This is the base of our eggnog. Section 4, tempering. The secret to smooth eggnog. Tempering is a fancy word, but it's super easy. Heat up some of the milk mixture. Don't boil it, just warm it up. Pour the warm milk slowly into the egg yolks. Whisk it constantly. This step is important. It makes the eggnog smooth. No one wants lumpy eggnog. No one asked for this, so don't try it at home. That was my PSA for the day. And now, back to the main star, the eggnog. Section 5, Flavor Fiesta. Customizing your eggnog. Now the fun part. This is where you can get creative and make your eggnog truly your own. Pour the whole mixture into a saucepan. Make sure to use a good quality saucepan to ensure even heating. Cook it over low heat. Stir it often. Don't let it boil. This step is crucial to avoid curdling and to achieve that perfect creamy texture. Cook until it thickens a bit. You'll notice the mixture becoming more velvety and rich. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Take it off the heat. Stir in the spices. Nutmeg, cinnamon, and a pinch of cloves can add a wonderful depth of flavor. Add a splash of vanilla. This enhances the overall flavor and gives it a warm, inviting aroma. Now, for the adults, add a splash of rum or bourbon. This adds a delightful kick and makes it perfect for holiday gatherings. Or skip it. It's up to you. Whether you prefer it with or without alcohol, your customized eggnog will be a hit at any holiday party. Section 6. Share your eggnog masterpieces. The holiday season is the perfect time to get creative with your eggnog recipes. Pour the eggnog into a pitcher. This will make it easier to serve and keep it fresh. Cover it and chill it in the fridge. Letting it chill will enhance the flavors and make it even more delicious. When you're ready, pour it into glasses. Make sure to use your favorite festive glasses to add to the holiday spirit. Add a sprinkle of cinnamon on top. This simple touch adds a warm, spicy note that complements the creamy eggnog perfectly. Scrumptious! Now it's your turn. Get creative and make this eggnog your own. Try different spices. Experiment with nutmeg, cloves, or even a dash of vanilla extract. Add a pinch of ginger or cardamom. These spices can add a unique twist to your eggnog, making it truly special. Share your creations with us. Snap a photo and tag us on social media. We can't wait to see your eggnog masterpieces. Don't forget to like, comment, and become a subscriber to Intro to Cooking Basics so you can receive a notification each time we roll out an easy-to-follow recipe or cooking hack. Thank you. We appreciate all of your support. Happy holidays.